Good day, folks. Today we'll discuss book insights from Risk Savvy, How to Make Good Decisions by Gerd Gigerenzer. In this book, Gigerenzer differentiates between risk and uncertainty. He defines risk as existing in a world where all options, outcomes, and probabilities are fully understood. However, in our everyday lives, we often encounter a dynamic environment where some of these factors are unknown, leading to where we face unknown risks, or uncertainty. This realm of uncertainty is vast compared to the more defined world of risk, as it involves facing unpredictable factors and what the book called to as unknown unknowns. Overall, Risk Savvy advocates for a shift towards a more informed and rational approach to decision-making, empowering readers to navigate uncertainties with confidence and make better choices in various aspects of their personal and professional lives. Here are a few quotes you might love. In the book, 1. An intuition is neither caprice nor a sixth sense but a form of unconscious intelligence. Number 2. Knowledge is the antidote to fear. Number 3. We have to learn to live with uncertainty. Number 4. Rational argument does not always win over old brain fear, particularly if one spouse tries to educate the other. Yet there is a simple rule of thumb that could have helped that professor. If reason conflicts with a strong emotion, don't try to argue. Enlist a conflicting and stronger emotion. Check some notes on the description below. Thanks for watching.